Okay, this video is a supplement to the training video that is called How to Create POs for Special Orders. And if you recall, if you've seen that video, in that video, there was a little notepad that outlined 4 different scenarios to help create purchase orders that were linked to sales orders that have special order items. And that video covered that in quite a bit of detail. A new feature that has since been added to the program kind of enhances this, and that is a feature where, and what I've done here is I've just gone to the Find Part screen and I've created 2 different orders that have these special orders. So items that need to be ordered. So I'm just going to come over here to the sales order POs like before. And I'm going to add those. Oh, it looks like I have more items than what I planned to, but today is 8/17, so I'm just going to grab those right there. And I'll put these on X vendor. And the new feature, what it does is, when you order something, currently, prior to this new feature, you'd have to look up each individual sales order and receive the items into stock. There was actually one exception to that on the dispatching form, but a lot of people don't know about it or don't use it. So when you're on, so I've selected these. I'll go ahead and just put a cost on these. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create that purchase order. And then the next day, probably the next morning, when you receive the parts into stock, you look up this purchase order. You start to probably print out the purchase order and you start to reconcile. If you don't have the scanning system, you start to reconcile item by item against this PO. And then you look up this PO, and if you just click on Receive PO, we're going to say, do you want to receive? I'm going to say yes. Then at the end of this process, this is the new feature, auto ship sales order back orders. It appears that there is one or more items on this PO that are linked to sales order back orders. Do you want to auto ship the sales order line items that are linked to the special order items on this PO? Well, if I click yes, instead of having to individually look up those sales orders and individually change the quantity shipped to whatever the value is, if I just click here, it's going to automatically do that for me. So it's going to come in the back door. I'm going to click receive. It's going to automatically ship them on the sales orders. So it's just one click that's going to save me quite a bit of time. Depending on the size of the purchase order, it could save me several minutes of time. So that's a cool new feature that we wanted to tell you about. So we wanted to make this supplement video number 1. Hopefully this is a huge time saver and very helpful for you. And we do hope you have a great day.